I love broccoli. I love it roasted. I love it steamed. I love it sauteed. But honestly, I don't love it raw. The florets, that is. Hey, it's Polly. And I don't know if you're like me, but whenever I see a crudité platter come out and it has the raw broccoli florets on it, I eat around all of that instead of the florets, because I feel like there's always evidence that I've had some and the texture is just not as pleasing as other raw, snappy vegetables. But the part of the vegetable here that you can enjoy all nice and crunchy without that floret texture is the stem. You know that, right? Is this your first time? Good. I'm glad. I want the first timers to really pay attention, because how many of us have thrown away the stems over all those years? This is the best part of the broccoli to eat raw. So I'm just going to get rid of the floret part. We will cook that later. And now all you need to do is kind of trim the husk, peel the husk off of this. So first, the lower end where it's been exposed to the air for way too long. So just get rid of that. Make sure it has a nice, solid, flat surface that you can cut it on, because you don't want it to wobble around. Now you can use a vegetable peeler or a nice sharp knife if you're comfortable with that, and just go down, keep it as close to the edge, the outer husk, as you can, peel it all the way down. And what you're left with is this beautiful, mild broccoli tasting, super crunchy, super delicious stem to enjoy. And you can cut it many different ways. It's simple to just cut it across in coins. And this is what's good in hummus or in ranch or just by itself. And if you want it in a salad, I like it a little bit smaller, so I just take these and julienne them. However you cut it, peel the stem, enjoy the crunchy inside. Don't you love it when healthy is delicious? And this certainly isn't hard. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.